For the turning activity, set up a street scene, including a left turn, a right turn, and a stop sign. Instruct the children to have their right hand on the handlebar when signaling with their left arm. This requires balance and keeping their feet on the pedals. Use the arm signals that were learned earlier in the demonstration to show others what you are going to do when riding your bike. At the first cone, indicate a left arm signal and make the turn without stopping. At the second cone, indicate a right turn signal and make the turn without stopping. At the last cone, indicate a stop signal and come to a complete stop.